Ride the artificial intelligence wave with postgraduate program in applied AI, machine learning, and deep learning by Aegis School of Data Science. This intensive hands-on program develops the necessary and unique set of skills for launching your successful career in the fastest-growing fields of AI. The program curriculum covers in depth artificial intelligence, Python, machine learning, natural language processing, cognitive computing, deep learning, Google TensorFlow, speech recognition, computer vision, and robotics. The program offers a wide range of electives, exposure to a wide range of technologies, tools, and software, work on live projects, program delivered by the best AI and data science faculties. After successful completion of the course, participants get postgraduate program, or PGP, certification by Aegis School of Data Science. Different program modes: full-time, PGP and applied AI, weekend executive PGP and applied AI, and weekend online PGP and applied AI, world-class cloud learning management platform and mobile app. Our students work with top firms and startups. Explore today how Aegis can help you launch your career in AI.